Friends, you may not like what I'm going to tell you in this video about Russia-Ukraine conflict. In fact, this is not a good news for all of us living in the West and in the free world. But still, we must know what may happen or have the highest probability to happen in the future. Well guys, the situation in Europe at present is very precarious. Russia has attacked the Ukraine and the soldiers are fighting in the streets. The million-dollar question here is, who is going to win? The Ukraine, Russia, or the USA? Baba Vanga has predicted about this day long ago. She has seen it coming. But first of all, we shall see what is the rate of her success in her prophecies. Baba Vanga was a Bulgarian seer who is also known as Nostradamus of the Balkans, and the world knows her today due to her prophecies. Baba Vanga's predictions cover a period spanning from her own times up until 5079 AD. According to different reports, she has a high rate of success, as much as 85%. Previously, she had also predicted the Chernobyl disaster and the death of Princess Diana. She also got famous for saying things that came closely to resemble the 9/11 terror attacks, and she also predicted about the Brexit. Well friends, it all means that we cannot take her predictions lightly, we never know. As per the media reports, Baba Vanga has said that the Russia would become the lord of the world after Europe is reduced to a wasteland. Just focus her words, she calls Europe as a wasteland. She is also reported to have said at some point all will thaw or melt down as if ice in the sunshine. Only one remained untouched, Vladimir's glory and the glory of Russia. Well friends, there are many prophecies which prove wrong over the period of time. It is to be seen how accurate she is this time, but it also means that the world needs to be careful while dealing with Russia. Well friends, feel free to share your thoughts and do like the video and share with your friends.